Hey guys, it's Jess. Before we start this video, I realized there's a lot of footage and a lot of stuff happens in this video, but I wanted to explain to you kind of the significance behind it, because otherwise you're like, okay, that's cool, but like you don't really get it because there's actually a reason behind this. There's a reason behind the whole trip, and I wanted to fill you in. Going to Hawaii is a trip that my mom has always kind of promised me my whole life, that like one day we'll go to Hawaii, and honestly didn't know if it was ever gonna happen until the plane tickets were bought and the reservations were booked, and then it was like, okay, we can't back out now. So getting to go there was really special because it's been something that she's told me my whole life. This is probably really cheesy, but Lilo and Stitch is my favorite movie. It was the first movie I went and saw in the theaters. So like all of this like comes full circle kind of, and one of the things my mom did when she was in Hawaii a year or so before I was born, she went to this place called the Pearl Factory, and what you do there is you pick your own oyster, and there's this little ritual you do basically, and you get a pearl from it, and it's so fun. Like, it's just a really cool thing. But something she did before I was born is she got a pearl for me, and she also bought a setting when she knew that I was gonna be born. And she's told me about this a few times in my life, but then when we got to Hawaii, she was like, we have to go to the Pearl Factory, we have to do this. And so we ended up going, and we got too many pearls probably. It's fine, you'll see in the video, I got 2, it's okay. But we became really good friends with the girls who worked there, because even if we weren't doing pearls, we would go talk to them, or we'd like go watch other people like get pearls, and it was so much fun, and I'm really excited to share it with you. If you're ever in Hawaii and have the chance to do this, I would highly encourage you to do so. It's just really, I don't know, what you get from it is like one of those tangible memories. Like, it's not like you need an item to remember something, but if you want something, I think it's a really special kind of memento, if you will. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Barnacles and hair.
You kind of know, just pick one you know. You're thinking too hard.
Some of them are breathing. Are they alive? Oh my god. They're breathing. It's constructing the water.
I don't know.
We're gonna stand here and play for a while, so sorry.
No, go ahead.
We don't get to do this often. Y'all do your thing.
There's 3 to choose from. So there's that one, and that
Oh,
one.
okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
Did you find one? You're supposed to pick the ugliest one. And that's got a pretty pearl.
Something green growing on it is kind of fat too.
Ew.
See?
Do you need...
I don't know. I can't decide.
You just grab one.
So then like a tiny one would have a tiny pearl?
Not necessarily.
I know.
They said don't go by size.
This one's fat and has green on it.
Ooh.
Right, you ready? Same thing. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Say aloha.
You ready? Are you recording sound too?
Yes.
You have to aloha with me.
I will.
1, 2, 3.
Aloha! Woo.
Awesome. So aloha means hello and goodbye. You're gonna say goodbye to your oyster and hello to your pearl. So when you put it in, they get in the corner. So this is sweetie. She's
Hi.
and then just cut it around. So you want to cut under the muscle, and this helps you to open it easy. Open it up. Oh, that's a big one.
That is a
another big one. That's a cream.
Oh, wow. That's
That is gorgeous.
pretty. So I'm gonna pick one.
Okay, so do you want to go to all the different ones that look? Okay, you'll guard my pearl, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, got it right here. It's gonna be over here.
No, I'm afraid we're going to flip it. It's going to be like a roll.
It will be fun. It's right.
Okay, so are you ready?
It's recording. Here.
Go on, girl. Take your time. Remember, feel it like you did yesterday.
I know, I gotta pick just the right one. I don't think that's the other one.
Yeah.
Can we go down there?
Okay, I don't know. It's got like something growing on there. Ooh, and dropping it. I think that one. But then there's another one over there that spoke to me, okay. Is it recording?
Yep.
Okay.
I got my oyster. Now we're gonna do the steak. You ready? Yeah. Get it. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Say aloha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aloha. See? She got a brown one. Oh, that's more white. Wow. Oh, that's a big one too.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh my god. So mom's got the cream and you got the white. Want to try it off? I just to see what they do. Let's see. So it's just to clean it up.
more white in it.
That's beautiful. That's like a nice, beautiful classic color. Look at that. Wow, you guys are lucky. And some of the that is a wow. You both got big ones. Wow. Isn't that cool?
Okay, so we just went and we went back to the pearl factory and we got like so many pearls. Did we get 2, 3? We got 3. Oh my goodness. So mom did 2 because she hadn't done any this trip, and then I did a second one because I did one yesterday. We got a bunch of we got 2 creams and 1 white, and they were pretty big pearls, which was nice. So we got me a cream one to set on the setting we already had, but it was a lot of fun. We are addicted to it. Now we're going back to the hotel before we go to the beach. I haven't vlogged since the pearl factory, but we did stuff. Mom's getting ready. So after we did the pearl factory, I can't remember what we did. We came back to our room, did the whole beach thing. I got sunburned. Okay, it turns out I cannot put on sunscreen, and you can't even, can you see there's just a white part, and then as you go down, it's gray. I'm a mess. But so it is now 5 o'clock, and so the game plan is we are gonna aim to see some fireworks tonight at almost 8. So we're gonna go get some food. We think we're gonna go to California Pizza Kitchen. So Hawaii, right? But we're gonna go get some dinner, make a game plan, maybe just wander around. We've had a lot of fun wandering and shopping. I did some shopping, I need to show you that. But it's been a fun time. Wait, I'm gonna film you. Do something cute. Okay, we're at California Pizza Kitchen and this is our dinner. Everything is confusing in another state. We are at the Aloha Stadium now. Part 900 of getting lost in Hawaii. I can't read a map very well, and Hawaii's roads are oh my gosh!